Maganda rin picture. Kanina ang papangit yung picture na i-irita.
Hello, how are you? Way back 2019, and right now we're here at the 6th BBC. Hi! Welcome to BBC.
Ayoko nang welcome ako nang walang ibibigay sa akin. Kung ayaw mo, ito nalang i-kiss ko to.
Sige ko.
I know, mas mahal ko sa akin yung kiss mo. Ay, oh shit. Oo, okay na okay yung bukawang sarap-sarap. Ay, naka-video pa pala. I miss you both. I'm happy to see you again.
Hello, thank you.
May pa-flower ako.
Guys, welcome to BBC. How are you today?
Okay lang.
I'm fine. Yeah.
Excited to be here. Charlie's here.
Welcome to BPCA kay Jason.
Oh, video pala to. Hello!
Yan. Hello.
Hi! Welcome to BCA!
Hello, Ate Swera. Welcome. Ilan ba nandito?
First time.
Oh, first time na dito. Welcome to BPCA. Pogi. Welcome to BPCA, sir.
Let's get it!
Ito po. Hello. Dito ka. Picture tayong apat. Kasi po. Hello.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Sure.
Welcome to BPCA, kay Jaren. Thank you. Welcome to BPCA.
Yes, thank you.
Hello, welcome to BPCA again. I'm back. Hello. Sa Ate Lenny ko. Hello, welcome to BPCA ulit. Ayun ang CEO ng Brilliant. Hello, welcome. Jason. Hi, sorry. So yun guys, our next
Round of applause, everyone. Thank you so much for gracing us with your presence, Miss Maria. On to the next batch of awards. He's TikTok's King of Makeup Transform.
Welcome to BPCA.
Ay, thank you po! Akala ko. Hello po, thank you.
Welcome to BPCA.
Hello, thank you so much.
Hi, congrats. Hi, Kuya Briggs. Congratulations.